It is a common aspiration for men to enhance the strength and size of their manhood. In this video, we will present 3 daily exercises that can help you achieve this goal instantly. With consistent practice, you will see a noticeable results in a short span of time. Let's get started. Number 1. Frog glute bridge. The frog glute bridge effectively engages the inner thighs and glutes, leading to improved lower body toning and increased blood flow into the penis for stronger erection. This exercise also promotes hip flexibility and can alleviate any discomfort or tightness in the hip area. Number 2. Downward dog. This pose is not only beneficial for maintaining spinal health, but also aids in its improvement by lengthening and decompressing the spine. Additionally, it strengthens the arms, shoulders, and chest, thereby enhancing upper body muscular endurance. Number 3. Pelvic tilt. Pelvic tilts are instrumental in enhancing pelvic mobility, which in turn facilitates smoother daily movements and activities. This exercise specifically targets the lower abdominal muscles, contributing to a well-defined midsection. On this journey to a stronger you. Remember, consistency is key. Try these exercises and watch your progress soar. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and routines. Keep pushing for greatness.